This is Hampton, Illinois. All the water. Wow. It comes up to the playground here. I don't know if you guys can see, but that trash can right there in the middle is completely underwater. Or covered in water. Peace. This is downtown Rock Island by the river. It is all the way flooded. You can see the bridge, the docks over there. This area right here, right in there, is the lower deck. There's a fence right down somewhere in there. That's all underwater. There's supposed to be steps right there too. That's all underwater. And that over there is supposed to be the higher one. That's underwater too. So, what a mess. This is Rock Island, Illinois. Peace. This is very, very high. Like there's a boat ramp that goes out to the water right there. I'm not sure you guys can see that. That's completely underwater. All of that is underwater. It's up to the pavilion. Past the pavilion. Almost up to the bathroom over there. And yeah, it is pretty high. Like the whole island over there. The island over there is completely full of water. So, this is the flooding of 2019, and it's gonna get worse. Woohoo! Isn't that fun? Like you can see it all the way over there. How it's near the water, how it's up on the roadway. It's the bad flooding.